I want to talk a little bit about the newest addition to our AX8000 series of servo drives. So this is our ultra compact servo drive system, but the newest addition to this is the AX8820, and this is a regen module. So it can be used with AX8000. It can also be used independently. It's universal. So here it looks like it's connected, but it's not. And what is so beautiful about this is you don't have to have any kind of conditioning as far as there's no chokes, there's no filters, and you can take any regen that's coming back from the motor system, put it into this, and it will put it back onto the mains power. Customers really want things to be simplified, and I think Beckhoff has done a great job doing that. Here we're looking at our ELM series of drives. So these are ultra compact drives. They come in single and dual axis form factors. From about a half a kilowatt up to about 3/4 of a kilowatt. And then you can see our single cable technology. So putting this together is easy as plugging in the cable. We recognize the motor. We've already got tuning parameters. And then you can see the ultra compact size here. We just put in 48 volts. There's also a regen system that we can connect to this if that's required. But that's an example of a trend. We're also providing these ultra compact, what we call EJ modules. But this allows people to just plug these modules in, and you no longer have to connectorize at all. So you can make a header here where it's got the connectors for each one of your devices, including the motors. You plug it in, and these only go up to about 500 watts again. And the last thing to talk about concerning motion trends with Beckhoff is our AX8000 series of drives. So these have been on the market for quite some time, I think about 8 years. But we're really proud of this system because of, again, the ease of commissioning, the ease of wiring. This system does have a choke and a filter on it, but the mains only come into one single unit that generates a DC bus, and then that's easily passed to each one of the servo modules. And these servo modules come in both single and dual axis versions, and the maximum power is about 7.5 kilowatts.